What if I told you that you can prevent kidney stones, treat heartburn and indigestion, improve your oral health, and even prevent serious diseases like cancer, all with a simple mixture of drinking water with baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate? At least that's what many websites out there are saying. Have you heard about the health benefits of drinking baking soda water? What makes baking soda so powerful inside our cells? Can baking soda water really cure diseases? In today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this simple mixture of water and baking soda. What its components are, its real effects on your body, and whether it truly brings all those benefits that people talk about, and learn how to make it the right way. Plus, what to watch out for. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends and family. Have you or anyone in your family already used this mixture for health? Which part of the world are you from? Leave your comment below. Most people have a box of baking soda, just sitting in their kitchen or fridge. It's one of those everyday items we all have, but hardly ever think about. This cheap white powder might be more valuable than we realize. It's surprising, but some doctors actually enjoy and suggest this mixture because it has amazing effects. Here are 8 ways drinking baking soda water might improve your health. Number 1, it can relieve heartburn and indigestion. This is probably the best known use for baking soda water. If you've ever had bad heartburn, you know how miserable it can be. That burning sensation in your chest and throat can make it hard to sleep or focus on anything else. Baking soda works as an antacid by neutralizing stomach acid. When you drink it, it reacts with the hydrochloric acid in your stomach to create harmless byproducts like water and carbon dioxide. This reduces the acidity in your stomach and can quickly relieve the symptoms of heartburn. It's worth noting that while baking soda water can provide fast relief, it's not a good long-term solution for chronic heartburn. If you find yourself reaching for it regularly, you should talk to a doctor about underlying causes and other treatment options, but for occasional heartburn, it's a cheap and effective remedy. 2. It may help prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones are one of those health problems that sound minor until you actually experience them. Then you realize they're agonizingly painful. If you've ever had kidney stones, you probably want to avoid getting them again at all costs. It turns out baking soda water might help with that. Kidney stones form when certain substances in your urine start to crystallize. The most common type is calcium oxalate stones. Drinking baking soda water can make your urine less acidic, which makes it harder for these stones to form. While further research is necessary, some studies indicate that taking sodium bicarbonate, baking soda supplements, may enhance kidney function and assist in slowing the progression of chronic kidney disease. Of course, baking soda water isn't the only way to prevent kidney stones. Staying hydrated, limiting sodium, and eating less animal protein can also help. But adding baking soda water to your routine might give you extra protection. 3. It could improve your athletic performance. This one is surprising. Yes, many athletes use it to enhance their performance. The science behind this is pretty interesting. When you exercise intensely, lactic acid builds up in your muscles. This is what causes that burning sensation when you're pushing yourself hard. It also makes your muscles more acidic, which can limit their ability to keep working. Baking soda is alkaline, so it can help counteract this acidity. By making your blood slightly more alkaline, it allows your muscles to work harder for longer before fatigue sets in. Baking soda might help you feel less tired, thanks to its high pH, allowing you to keep going at your best for a bit longer. One study showed that cyclists who consumed baking soda worked out for about 4.5 minutes longer compared to those who didn't. Several studies have found that taking baking soda before intense exercise can improve performance, especially in high-intensity activities. According to a study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, consuming sodium bicarbonate in doses ranging from 0.2 to 0.5 grams per kilograms can enhance performance in activities that require muscular endurance, such as various combat sports like boxing, judo, karate, taekwondo, and wrestling, as well as in high-intensity cycling, running, swimming, and rowing. Its benefits are particularly noted for high-intensity exercises lasting between 30 seconds and 12 minutes. 4. It may slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. Chronic kidney disease is a serious condition where your kidneys gradually lose function over time. It affects millions of people and can eventually lead to kidney failure. There's some evidence that baking soda might help slow the progression of this disease. Your kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining the pH balance in your body. As kidney function declines, it becomes harder for your body to keep this balance, leading to a condition called metabolic acidosis. Baking soda can help neutralize this acid, reducing strain on the kidneys. One study found that patients with chronic kidney disease who took baking soda supplements had a much slower decline in kidney function compared to those who didn't. It's important to note that you should never try to treat kidney disease on your own. Always work with a doctor, but if you have this condition, it might be worth asking your doctor about using baking soda as part of your treatment plan. 5. It could help with certain types of cancer treatment. This one might be the most surprising for you, don't you think? It turns out that baking soda might make some cancer treatments more effective. Many types of cancer thrive in acidic environments. Some researchers believe that making the area around tumors less acidic could help combat the cancer. Baking soda, being alkaline, can help with this. A study from 2009 published in Cancer Research discovered that injecting bicarbonate into mice lowered tumor pH levels and slowed down the progression of metastatic breast cancer. A study from 2015 published in the Journal of Experimental and Clinical Cancer Research discovered that high doses of the PPIE simeprazole notably improved the effectiveness of chemotherapy in women with metastatic breast cancer. Now it's crucial to understand that this doesn't mean baking soda cures cancer. It doesn't. And you should never try to treat cancer on your own. But this research suggests that baking soda might be a useful addition to some cancer treatment protocols. If you're undergoing cancer treatment, it might be worth discussing with your oncologist. 6. It could improve your oral health. We usually think of baking soda as something that cleans our teeth from the outside. That's why it's a common ingredient in toothpaste. But drinking baking soda water might help your teeth from the inside, too. Your mouth is home to many types of bacteria. Some of these are harmless, but others can cause tooth decay and gum disease. Many of these harmful bacteria thrive in acidic environments. Drinking baking soda water can help neutralize acids in your mouth, making it less hospitable for these bacteria. It can also help neutralize acids from the foods you eat, which can erode your tooth enamel over time. One study found that rinsing with baking soda solution was more effective at reducing plaque than rinsing with plain water. While this study looked at rinsing rather than drinking, it suggests that baking soda can have a positive effect on oral health. Rinsing your mouth with a mixture of water and baking soda can be a helpful way to fight bad breath. Baking soda works to neutralize the acids in your mouth that can cause unpleasant odors. It also has antibacterial properties that help decrease the bacteria in your mouth. While this practice is beneficial, it shouldn't take the place of brushing and flossing. It can be a useful extra step for anyone dealing with bad breath. 7. It might help with certain skin conditions. Baking soda has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. This makes it potentially useful for treating various skin conditions. Some people find it helps with issues like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. For example, a baking soda paste can help soothe the itching and inflammation from insect bites. A baking soda bath is frequently suggested to help relieve itchy skin caused by bug bites or bee stings. Baking soda can also help relieve itchy skin caused by sunburn. Some individuals believe it works even better when mixed with ingredients like corn starch and oatmeal. To make a baking soda bath, dissolve 1 to 2 cups, 220–440 grams of baking soda in a lukewarm bath, and make sure the affected area is fully submerged. It can also help exfoliate dead skin cells, potentially improving skin texture. Of course, everyone's skin is different. What works for one person might not work for another. If you have a skin condition, it's always best to consult with a dermatologist before trying new treatments. 8. It may help with exercise-related muscle pain and fatigue. Remember how we talked about baking soda potentially improving athletic performance? Well, it might also help you recover faster after exercise. Intense exercise can lead to a buildup of lactic acid in your muscles. This is what causes that burning sensation during a workout, and it can contribute to muscle soreness afterwards. Drinking baking soda water before or after exercise might help neutralize this lactic acid. This could potentially reduce muscle pain and fatigue, helping you recover faster. One study found that people who took baking soda before a high-intensity workout reported less muscle pain afterwards compared to those who didn't. How to prepare the baking soda water solution. Start by adding half a teaspoon of baking soda to about 200 milliliters of warm or room temperature water. Mix it well until the baking soda is fully dissolved. Enjoy it slowly. For relief from heartburn or digestive issues, it's best to drink the solution on an empty stomach. Precautions. If you have high blood pressure, it's a good idea to limit your baking soda intake. Those with kidney failure should also steer clear of baking soda. If you have heart issues like congestive heart failure, it's wise to check with a doctor before using baking soda. Keep in mind that baking soda can interact with some medications, including antacids and certain antibiotics. Always consult a healthcare professional before making baking soda a regular part of your routine. Now, it's important to keep a few things in mind. First, while these benefits are promising, more research is needed in many areas. Baking soda water isn't a cure-all, and it's not a replacement for a healthy diet, regular exercise, or necessary medical treatments. Second, while baking soda is generally safe, it's not right for everyone. It's high in sodium, so people on low-sodium diets should be cautious. It can also interact with certain medications. As with any supplement, you should talk to your doctor before adding baking soda water to your routine, especially if you have any health conditions. Lastly, moderation is key. Too much baking soda can cause side effects like nausea, vomiting, and even more serious issues in large amounts. Stick to small amounts, no more than half a teaspoon in a glass of water, and not more than a few times a week unless directed otherwise by a healthcare provider. So next time you see that box of baking soda in your kitchen, remember, it's not just for baking or deodorizing your fridge. It might also be a simple way to boost your health. Who knew such an unpretentious household item could be so useful? Now we want to hear from you. Have you ever given baking soda water a try? What did you use it for? Share your experiences, questions, and tips in the comments. Let's build a community of knowledge about this powerful ingredient together. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next videos. Share it with your friends and family so everyone can use baking soda water safely and enjoy its benefits. And before you go, check out these 2 videos we selected specially for you. I think you'll love them. Have an awesome day and keep healthy, my friends.